Hello there, my friends, and welcome to the Infinity Processing System Getting Started video series. I am the amazing Angela, and in this video, I will be showing you how to import a share code for your exit pop-up on your capture page. That way, as your prospects are about to leave your capture page, you can actually prompt them to sign up. So you see here, as I'm leaving, this pop-up here appears, and then now this time I'm only asking for an email, whereas before I was asking for a name and an email. So we have this page here, it's done for you. And in order for you to set this up, what you need to do is log into your back office of LeadsLeap. And once you're here, in order to set this up, you go down to Form Pop-Up Manager, you click that, and then you click Add New Campaign, and you give it a name. So you're going to name it Infinity Processing System. As you can see, I already have it. So you click Add Now. And once you click Add Now, then what you need to do is add a new form to start. And then you click here and you paste your share code and click Import Now. Okay. And once you click Import Now, you have this here. You can go to Launch Manager. And then what you want to do is you want to link this to your list, right? And it's very simple. Go to your list here and then get your list, find Infinity Processing System, pick that there, and then click, put it there, and then save, right? And if you want, you can put your this link here. I wouldn't. The reason I wouldn't is because you want them to go back to the email and confirm the opt-in. That way they get the follow-up emails, okay? So it's up to you, but if you choose to put your link here, you can go ahead and make sure it opens in a new window and always save at the end. That is how simple it is for you to actually import this exit pop-up. That way, whatever I have here, you have exactly the same. So that's the end of these Getting Started series. By the end of Taking Action, you will have your version of this. You'll have the capture page, you'll have the ad bar, you'll have these ads here if you want to earn credits, and you'll have the exit pop-up, and you'll have a series of emails going out as well. Now, if you want to learn how to drive targeted traffic to your offer, what I'd recommend for you to do is there's a link to this course in the description, and this is step-by-step training on this LeadsLeap platform. Because once you have the system, you can actually use LeadsLeap to drive targeted traffic to your offer. And I take you by the hand, just like I have now, and show you all the ways that you can use the system, not only to drive traffic to your offers, but how you can start to earn a passive income stream as well. So that's the end of the video series. The share codes will all be in the course. I'm going to put them together underneath the video. I'll have the share codes there for you as well. So thank you so much. I've been the amazing Angela, and I will see you in the next video. Have a fantastic day.